How do I reinstall all packages installed with Homebrew? I recently had an issue where all of my linked binaries were removed from /user/local/bin/. Fortunately, most of these were just dynamic links to binaries installed with Homebrew, so after reinstalling Homebrew I need to get them back. Is there a way to force reinstall all installed packages and binaries with Homebrew? Maybe piping the output of brew list into brew reinstall.
It's as simple as that. You don't need to uninstall anything, because doing so you may lose your settings and configs.
To keep not only installed brews but also casks and taps, I recommend two. The first command will write ~/.brew file, which will be read again in the second call. It looks like this. Please issue. For more details on the bundle command,
I ran into a need for this after upgrading to OS High Sierra. Most of the brew packages were failing form missing dlibs. Ended up writing a quick and amp dirty script that cleanly removes and amp replaces one at a time, ignoring dependencies so you don't force bulk purges. You need to fix each stopping point, but it picks up where it left off so it's not too painful. Inf as always.
For me it was better to remove all and then install all, because of many errors that existed still when just reinstalling, due to transitive dependencies. Potentially the brew reinstall approach, but only if the packages are reinstalled in a certain order, first packages that do not depend on other packages, and then packages that depend only on packages freshly reinstalled. This may be an option to keep configs. Still, I found cleaner in my case to proceed with uninstall all and install all.